Soelberg. I'm the creator of Let's Play Music. Welcome to the Yellow Arrow semester. You're now halfway through your Let's Play Music experience. Let's talk about what's happened. You've increased your child's musical capacity by introducing foundational skills and concepts, and you have surrounded your child in the joy of music making. So what's next? We will be diving into the complexities and the logic of the keyboard this semester. We are delighted to find out that all of the white keys have letter names, and you will be learning each one while still maintaining those anchors of F and C. We also use the keyboard as the logical way to show how triads are built. Those steps and skips and gaps in the triads look the same on the staff as they do on the keyboard. So the piano continues to be an excellent logical teacher for music theory for your child. We also will look at the left hand, and it's amazing to see that the left hand is going to learn in 3 weeks what it took the right hand 11 weeks to learn. There's muscle memory that happened all through the first semester that will now be smoothly transitioned to that left hand. It's quite amazing to see the human body and brain work together, and we've trained them just right so that this process will take place for you. Singing and playing and musical enjoyment will continue. You will love to see, as one of the last pieces played by your child, they will be playing 2 hands, one with the chord, one with the melody, and singing along and singing the words, "If I practice every day, lots of songs I'll learn to play." So not only are we learning musicianship, we're learning life skills where practice helps us to achieve our goals. Robin Hood is really going to help us to figure this out. And at the end of this semester, you will be amazed at what your child is doing. We hope you continue to use joy, support, love, and excitement as you practice with your child, never using force or coercion in your practice sessions, but delight and discovery. When your child is done practicing and the joy has left the room, it's time for practice to be over. Keep the joy in the practice, and you'll keep a musician who loves piano all their lives. We're glad you're here. It's a wonderful semester. We hope you love it.
Shoot the arrow.